Okay, my friend, we are back again with my favorite trading setup. Well, one of my favorite trading setups for the week ahead. And I'm Will, aka the FX Ace. And in this video, we're going to go over a possible trade setup on the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, I'm going to break down the trade setup, give you the take profit, stop loss, entry price, everything, the reasons behind the actual setup. So before we actually get into the setup, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the trade setup. First off, if you are new, I trade from a top-down approach on my weekly swing positions, meaning I look at the monthly and weekly trading charts, looking for possible buy and selling entry areas, and then zooming into the daily and the 4-hour charts, looking for possible slowing of momentum and evidence of prices slowing down coming into the higher time frame area of interest. Okay, so first off, we're going to look at the monthly, and if we zoom in here, we can actually see, if we just zoom out, zoom in, sorry, we're at a monthly zone here, okay, where price is coming down into now. And also, it hasn't broke this area yet either. Okay, so we're coming down towards this 157, 500 area on the monthly charts. Okay, you can see this is an area, basically because we hit this leg up here. Okay, hit this leg here. Okay, we had this first swing up. You had the swing high here. Then we had the swing low from this high here. Okay, then we had this pause in the market and then a rally back up, which created this new high here. So this is evidence that this is a new high. This is evidence that a lot of buyers here pushed the market to take out this previous high here, swing high. So that's the reason there. That's a monthly level, okay, area of interest. You can see we also had a reaction here before, okay, when it came down into this area, okay. And if we look at the weekly charts, okay, now we'll zoom into the weekly charts, and just where I've drawn this line, okay, we can see we have a weekly zone here where price has just entered into last week. Okay, it dropped pretty heavy into this area last week, which is always a good sign. Okay, when you see a big candle coming into an area of interest, it's always a good sign. Okay, that it is a correct area to be looking at. So, okay, we're coming into this area. So we've identified this weekly area here. Okay, you see here, this was the swing high, swing low that caused this swing high here. Okay, it actually broke this small term trend on the weekly charts, which makes it valid. Okay, so a lot of buying pressure inside this area, and this drop into this area kind of justifies that there is going to be a lot of buyers in here. Okay, so what we want to look for now is evidence that price action is slowing down. Okay, we can't see nothing really on the daily charts yet. Okay, do expect it just maybe print down towards 158, which is going to be the entry. Okay, if we look at the 4-hour charts, let's see if we can get a divergence. Okay, get the MACD divergence up. Okay, and we're not getting any evidence there. The price is starting to slow down. If we just zoom into the 1-hour chart, sorry, you can actually see we're starting to get divergence signals on the approach to this area. Okay, I do think this will maybe drop a little bit further next week, and then create the divergence signal in the 4-hour chart. Okay, so the entry is going to be 158. Okay, we'll just get this now. So remember, always trade at your own risk. This is just what I'm doing. So it's buy EURNZD at 1.58. Okay, stop loss 1.567. Okay, take profit. Okay, gonna go 164. Okay, so that's the trade setup. Pause your video, write that down. Okay, the reason for the 164 take profit, if you look at the weekly charts, okay, it's the last area that caused this drop, which is from last week here. Okay, it was 163, 154 is okay. Okay, so that's the trade setup. Again, very nice setup. We've got a monthly area here. You can see we've had a reaction at this area before. We've got the weekly area here that caused this high here. A nice descent into the area. I do expect probably to print another red candle on Monday and then rally up the rest of the week. We will see what happens tomorrow. So that's a trade setup. If you want to get access to my full list of 20 setups for the week ahead, plus access to the new automated day trading service, simply click the link in the description area. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxas.com. Like and share this video, and have a fantastic trading week. Well over to fxas.com.